Hello and welcome on InvestGlass Summer Tricks and Tips. In this 30 seconds video, I'm going to show you how InvestGlass CRM is the best for banker and private equity companies. Why? Well, simply because when you start a new CRM, you don't exactly know which fields you have to put into your CRM. And you don't know if all those fields are going to be into the CRM. Well, InvestGlass is fully customizable, which means that with your existing spreadsheets, your Excel spreadsheets, I'm sure you have, you will go to My Account Company. Here you go to Import CSV or vCard, and there you will select Outlook format and click on this magic function. This magic function will automatically generate new columns from your Excel spreadsheets if the names of those fields are not recognized. So that's the lazy way to create your CRM. And once you've done all that import, you will go down to the custom fields to set up the type of field you want to see. For example, an email will be an email format. Close to or close from would be a date. Just simply click on edit and here select the date input. Save it, that's done. This is how you can build a customized CRM for private equity or private bank in less than 30 minutes. Have a try, have a lovely summer, and speak to you tomorrow.